The importance of this new moon, because of the timing, because of its closeness, its supermoon quality, its closeness to the earth, because of its connection to Chiron in Pisces, to the sun in Virgo. This new moon in Virgo speaks to you of change, just as the whole vibratory world speaks to you of change. The sound of change is like a great cathedral filled with orchestras of joy, filled with tones and sounds and the swelling of great, beautiful cosmic music. This energy vibration is there for you to catch, but you must move out of the vibration of chatter, the vibration of chatter created by fear. Fear is a strong and powerful force that is manipulated by those who seek to be powerful in themselves, forgetting that the true power lies in the light within themselves, not the need to grasp, not the need to be, not the need to be power in the sense of overpowering others. Not in the need of acquisition that is there to simply smother the life out of what is being acquired. That kind of power on your planet is driven by fear, and fear is a vibration. Fear is a channel of energy, just as light is a channel of energy, just as love is a channel of energy. Together, when they're in their proper flow, they balance out the cosmic fabric of the universe. When beings tapped into it and learn to tap into certain things, which when you look at your knowledge of the earth right now and see some of the knowledge that was so important, even done from positive intentions, that knowledge without complete wholeness of the universe sometimes separated out and created something else. For instance, the being Einstein that channeled such great cosmic energy, his channeling of the understanding of the atom turned into an atom bomb, not what he intended at all. So, there are those that will grab and separate the energies of the universe out of fascination, out of curiosity, with the best intentions, and there are those that will grab them consciously to grab others, to overcome. And so the vibration of fear becomes isolated into a specific channel of energy. All of you are connected to that vibration because it is part of the cosmic whole. So all of you have a vibration of fear within you. To deny that fear within you, to deny that you have fears, only gives it greater strength. Facing your fears, facing your truth, these vibrations set you free. In the beginning, Lord Michael, the Archangel of Truth and Light, the Archangel wielding the sword of truth and light, spoke to you about truth, setting you free, brought the vibration of truth, separated the vibration of truth out of the whole cosmic orchestrated symphony, separated that vibration out so that you could find it, stand on it, and infuse yourself with the vibration of truth. What is your truth? Take a moment. Breathe into the biggest depth of you. Look at the parts of your life that haven't been in truth. Minute parts. The beauty of the new moon in Virgo is that you can look at the small daily patterns, at the everyday patterns within you. You can adjust. You can make slight adjustments to your structures. You can make adjustments to the way that you do things. This is the beauty of this particular new moon, an opportunity to look at and adjust how you are living your life, how you are taking care of your body, how you are eating, how you are thinking, how you are expressing joy, how you are perhaps letting the weight of burdens contract you and make you feel sad or lonely or grumpy or isolated. Open now to the vibration within you that connects to all joy, that connects to all loving, to connect to the vibration of love. Don't be afraid of the fear vibrations. Look them in the face with the truth. As you look at the truths that you tend to deny, I should do this instead of that, I want to go there, but I keep going here, I fall into old patterns, I have addictions, whatever it is, do not criticize yourself. The vibration of Chiron right now in Pisces allows you to bring my ray of compassion closer to the cells in your body. It is closer to the earth. So simply breathe it in now. I can be compassionate with myself.